Kev, we had a great week here with the Fibo Quantum Indicator this week. It's Friday about 1:10 p.m. We did have one Fibo Quantum set up today. I was having issues with my computer, so I wasn't able to come on earlier today, but we took this trade. I put this trade in last night, and I got out of it with, I think, about what, 25, 20, what is that, about 28 pips. And the reason why I got out of it was because it was 12:14 p.m. and we really don't want to hold trades over the weekend. And we know that trading kind of slows down after 12 o'clock Eastern time. So unless you're in a losing position, the best thing to do is to get out if you have that, those 15, 20, 25 pips where you're up. The best thing to do is just to take that and then wait till next week to trade again. So, that was today's trade. These two images here in the group. This is the Forex Trading Authority group. If you're watching this video, you can't get in the group. Just go there on Facebook and, if you're watching this video somewhere else, if you're watching it live now, you're obviously in the group. But if you watch this on YouTube, there'll be a link to join the group. So just click on there and I'll approve you as soon as I get the request. Anyway, we won 17 out of 19 trades this week using our strategy, our Fibo Quantum indicator with the Fibo Quantum signal rules and the money management strategies that we have in the group. Now, actually, one of these losing trades here wasn't a Fibo Quantum trade. I can't remember which one it was, but if I go through the videos in the group here, I'll be able to see one of these trades was a New York City reversal trade, and it ended up losing. But I think there's probably maybe one New York City reversal trade in these in this results here that also won. So we're just going to say, hey, we won 17 out of 19 trades, right? So 17 wins, 2 losses for the week, taking the half, the 0.50 lot size. That's what our profit would have been, $1,551.53 for the week. So not bad. The indicator worked very, very good this week. And, this was probably the best week with the indicator, but overall we've been able to maintain that 70 to 80% win rate with the indicator. So let's just look at the market scan here real fast because I was having trouble with MT4 yesterday. I wasn't able to, it just was running really slow. So I got it fixed up here. And there really weren't a lot of setups last night. But we'll just go through again. We're on the 1 hour chart. We have the Fibo Quantum Indicator. We have the ADR markers here. And when they turn red like this, that means that the ADR was met for the day. And that's where, if it's before the New York Open, that's where we look for the New York City reversal trades. If it's after the New York Open, then it's not the right time of day for those. But if these set up prior to that New York City Open, like if they start setting up around 8 o'clock, 8:30, 8:45, then we look at taking these reversal trades the other way back up. That wasn't the case here. But anyway, let's just scan through. There weren't a lot of signals. There weren't a lot of signal lines last night when I did do a scan, as you can see here. So this was a signal here in NZDJPY. This went off last night. However, at the time of the entry, we were not red, white, and blue. So I knew this was going to go down, but we weren't red, white, and blue. And also, the sell indicator signal was above the 89-day moving average. And we were only on day, what, 1, 2, 3, what was it, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's only day 4 of the global trend. So we weren't looking for the reversal yet, according to our rules. So we would not have taken that trade, even though it does move down to take profit 1 and would have been a profitable trade. USD JPY, CAD JPY. This one is down here And obviously, as you see here, it's starting to give a sell entry down here. So, but it's 1:15 p.m., so we wouldn't take that trade if it goes off. But we also wouldn't take it because the ADR was already met for this. And look, the ADR line's all the way up here. So this has made a big move down through its average daily range. And so even if we were at the right time of day, we wouldn't expect that to go much lower. GBP USD, USD CHF. This one gives a sell entry right here, as you can see. And then we could see that the ADR low is right there. So, it's red, white, and blue. It's day 2 of the downtrend. What would concern me, though, is the closest of the ADR line here. But if nothing else, you could just set your take profit right at the ADR, and you can get out with a profitable trade here. What this will do after this, I don't know. Also, because of the time of day, you would probably want to get out of this trade anyway by now, even though it's just with a small profit. So, this would still probably be a profitable trade for us had we taken it, because we would have gotten out of it with a profit. EUR USD, EUR GBP. Wow, look at this. This went right up through the buy entry line here earlier today. And like I said, I wasn't at the computer, so I wasn't able to take any trades. The one trade that I did take, I set that up last night before I went to bed. But as you can see here, at the time of the signal, we're red, white, and blue, right? So this is a valid trade to take. It's just changing the trend. And, so far it shot up 39, 40 pips. So it didn't hit take profit 1 or the 50 pip goal that we have. But again, because it's Friday afternoon at 1:17 p.m. and we don't want to hold trades over the weekend if we don't have to, we would have taken our profit on this trade already. USD CAD, again, a lot of these currencies are moving through their ADRs for the day. As you can see, the ADR markers are bright red. CHF, JPY, GBP, NZD. Very few signals here. Okay, so this is the one that I set up last night before I went to bed. So I seen it was getting close to going off. So like I told you guys before, I'm going to show you this in a video, but I set a sell stop order at the entry line. I set my stop loss, and I set my take profit. Now, I got out of this trade like I told you earlier, and there's 2 reasons why I got out, right? Number 1 is it's met its ADR for the day, right? So it could go lower, but it's met its ADR. It was also 12:15 p.m. on Friday when I got out. So we took the profit, we got out of the trade. But this was the one trade that I did take sometime overnight. It executed and was an open position. NZD USD, this was another one I was looking at, and I was going to put in a stop order for that as well, but it wasn't. And also going back to this one, AUD USD, what I want to show you is at the time of this entry here, it was not red, white, and blue. Okay, I got in right around here. It was not red, white, and blue. So remember, however, look at the global trend. What's the global trend count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's day 7. So if it's day 7 or more of a global trend, we start looking for a reversal, right? So we see this set up. We see that the sell entry is below the 89 day and price was below the 89 day. And we were looking for the reversal, so we took that trade. Same thing happened here at NZD USD. And this again, had we taken this trade, we would have gotten out here at a profit because it is Friday at 1 p.m. AUD NZD. So that's what the scan looked like. Again, we took the one trade today, but for the week we won 17 out of 19 trades, guys. 17 out of 19 trades. I don't even know what let's see if I can pull up a calculator. My search box, that's another thing that's not working now on my computer, so I can't pull up the calculator here real fast. But 17 out of 19 trades we won. So it was a great week for the Fibo Quantum Indicator. If you're watching this video, if you're in the group or you're on YouTube, there's going to be a link to join the group, a link in this group to purchase the Fibo Quantum software. You're going to want to purchase it because pretty soon, guys, we're going to be going live with it and we're going to start making money because the past several weeks we've been testing it on demo and it's had great results, especially this week, 17 out of 19 trades won. So until next time, until next week, let's make it a great time. Let's have a good weekend. Take care of yourself and stay safe.